Looking from my screen here, the strategy that I'm going to be showing you in this video is what me and my student use to make consistent profit from the market. All right, so now when it comes to this strategy, the first thing we need is our 3 time frames. Number 1 is the daily time frame, number 2 is the H4 time frame, and number 3 is the H1 time frame. Now what do we use all these time frames for? All right, and what do I use all this time frame for? Number 1, I use the daily time frame to confirm or to identify the trend of the market for the day. Where the market is heading to, is the market on a bullish move or the market is on a bearish move? If the market is on a bullish move for the day, then I will be looking for a buying opportunity only. And if the market is on a bearish move, then I'll be looking for selling opportunity only. All right, so now the number, which is the third time frame here, which is the H4 time frame, I use it to confirm the trend. Remember, the first time frame is to identify the trend, and the second time frame, which is the H4 time frame, is to confirm the trend of the market. And the other time frame here is the H1 time frame, which is my entry time frame. All right, so now how do I put all these systems together? All right, how do I put all this strategy together? So the first thing I do, just like I said, I go to the daily time frame, just like this. All right, now I don't just go to the daily time frame here, I go to identify the trend of the market. All right, and also to confirm the pattern, the structure that the market is creating. Now, as you can see, checking from the market structure right now, US30 is currently on a bullish move. We have a series of higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low here. Then we have a higher high again and a higher low. That's to tell us that US30 is currently on a bullish move. Since last week, I have been, which is before this recording, I have been longing US30. All right, so now after identifying the trend from the daily time frame, I will go to the 4-hour time frame again. Okay, now this is the 4-hour time frame, and what is the market currently doing? The market is also on a bullish move, right? So as you can see, after this double bottom here, right, we have a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low, right? A higher high here, just like this, and a higher low, higher high, a higher low here, higher high and a higher low, before we start having this type of inverse head and shoulder. As you can see here, what do? We start by plotting our key level, which is the next one. Now that we have identified the trend of the market, the next thing is to start by plotting our key level. Now I am supposed to plot our key level from the daily time frame here, right? But starting from here, I do not want to start plotting a key level from here without a direction. Do you understand? So that is why I will be jumping to the next time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. It is also to confirm the trend, right? So let's just say what the market is giving us here. So first of all, we have this simple resistance zone here, just like this. So this is a resistance zone. We have a resistance price broke, pulls back to retest, just like this. That is to tell us that price is currently on the bullish move. The reason why I am starting from the recent market and I'm not drawing from all this one, it is because they are not necessary. All right, I am day trading, and when the market is low, I became a day trader / swing trader. All right, but my main type of trader that I am, the main type of trader that I am is a day trader. All right, so now, so first of all, what we have here is that we have a daily H4 support here, and we also have a H4 resistance. And other than that, do we have any other key level here that we are seeing? Yes, this is a clean key level here. If you check it, if you start it from the back, you can see that we have a resistance. Price broke it, pull back to retest, then drop still. Then right now price broke it again, pull back, retest, and right now retesting on it. That is to say, this level, this key level that we are seeing here currently is a strong key level. All right, so I'm going to identify that one as the H4 key level, right? As the H4 key level. So what is the next thing we'll be doing? The next thing we'll do is to look for more key levels, and if we don't have more key levels, we just have to scale down to the next time frame, which is our entry time frame, H4. Now on this system, you can also use the 30-minute time frame as your entry time frame, but I prefer the 1 hour time frame most of the time. We have a resistance zone here, price broke it, pull back, retest, then we have a support, and right now price dropped all the way to support on this key level here, but did not touch it. All right, that's to say, if price start dropping, we may expect price to drop to this key level, right? Give us a support here, respecting this support here, and the support here, then move to the upside. All right, so now let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what price and see how the structure is creating. All right, so now let's see, I'm going to have to reduce this key level, and the next thing I do is that I reduce my key level so that it won't start getting bigger and bigger on the smaller time frame. All right, so I'm going to have to just like this, reduce them, and also reduce them just like this. All right, so now what do we have here? We have a simple resistance zone. Price broke it, pulls back, turn it into a support here, a support here, and also you can see it's a resistance. Price broke it, pulls back into a support. I also long from here. Even from the starting of the video, you can see that I plot a long position from here. I also took a trade from here with a 50 point stop loss, not pips. USDT is not necessarily calculated in pips, all right, so it's in points. Just like this, because 1 point on USDT is equal to 10 pips. This is a resistance, right? And we'll have a support and a support just like this from here. So I prefer putting this key level from here just like this. Okay, I'm gonna have to enlarge it a little bit, then also change the color, all right, to H1 yellow, just like that. And we still have any other key level here? So you can see we have a simple key level here. So this is going to be our H1 key level. Okay, so now how do I look for my trade right now? Now that I have done my top-down analysis and look for what the market will be doing. So first of all, daily is bullish, H4 is bullish. That is to say, we will only be looking for a what? We will only be looking for a buying opportunity. Now, since we are only looking for a buying opportunity, now what do? We wait for a simple break, pull back, retest, with long. Price should break this key level, pull back, retest there, with long. That means we should be looking for a what? We should be looking for a long opportunity alone, since market is currently bullish. All right, so now that is the analysis I just did on USDT right now. So the next one that we are going to be jumping to is on gold, XAUUSD. Okay, now we are going to use FXCM here as a broker. Okay, so now what do we do? First of all, we jump to the daily time frame again. Like I said we are using only 3 time frames when it comes to this trading system. All right, so just like this. So now, taking from the daily time frame, gold is bullish, currently on the bullish move, and as you can see, it is clean. We have a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low. Now we are expecting another higher high, just like this, a higher low around this level. Then price should continue heading to the upside, right? So now let's jump to the 4-hour time frame. The reason why I am jumping to the 4-hour time frame is because we don't have a clean structure, right, for a key level on for us to plot key level on the daily time frame, right? So now what I'm seeing here is that we have a recent resistance zone, just like this. Okay, just like this. All right, so I'm going to change that color to H4 gray color, and also as you can see, this is the other resistance zone. This is the most recent resistance zone. All right, so I'm going to identify that one as the H4 and not H1, H4 resistance key level, just for us to identify that level, that it's a clean H4 resistance key level. Looking from the H4 time frame, what are we seeing here? We either expect the market to break this level, pulls back to retest, boom, and start heading to the upside, or we expect the market to drop from that level the market is currently, just like this, pull back to retest here, clean, and we look for a buying opportunity. But right now, based on the structure, the market is currently on a bullish move, and we should be looking for a buying opportunity. Right, so this is the next key level that we should pay attention to. That if the market start retracing from there, then that is the next key level we should pay attention to. Right, so now I'm going to enlarge it a little bit, just like this. And as you can see, yes, the market also retested on that key level already. So we may expect some patterns just like this, and also market will start heading to the upside, right? So now, do we have other key level here that we should pay attention to? This is the next key level, H1 key level. All right, so now if we have price break that our H1 key level above pullback retest, we look for a buying opportunity, guys. And this is how I use this trading strategy to trade. We may expect price to drop to this key level, then just like this, we long, and we may expect price to break this key level, pullback, and also we long, because what is it? Daily is bullish, H4 is bullish, and H1 is bullish, 30-minute is bullish. Why the hell are you looking for a selling opportunity when the market is bullish? All right, that is why we are trend traders, and I believe you understand what I just taught you here. Guys, all I'm asking from you is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Other than that, guys, peace.